Open the hatch to gain access to the bulb assembly.
Remove the screws that secure the housing by turning them counterclockwise.
The steps needed to access the other side are the same as this side.
Pry the housing away from the vehicle first, then pull it out.
You're less likely to scratch the paint on your vehicle if you use a panel puller to help pry out the housing.
Remove the bulb assemblies by twisting them counterclockwise. Now you can replace your housing with a new one. Replace the bulb assemblies by twisting them clockwise.
Align the tabs and push the housing to get it back into place. You may need to use some force to get the bulb housing back in place. You should hear it connect to the vehicle.
Replace the screws that secure the housing by turning them clockwise.
Make sure the bulb housing is secure.